Good day to you, my trading friends. It is Monday, March 1st. Happy March, everybody, 2021, and we have a trade for you today. Do you feel like you could be a contrarian? If you got today's cherry bomb email, did you get today's cherry bomb email? If not, we'll tell you how you can get the cherry bomb emails. Even though there's no cherry bomb trade for today, you read Monday's inspirational or Monday's motivational email, and you hear about Tom Sosnoff talking about things about like nobody knowing anything. And that is a tasty trade mantra, if you would. And if you think back to where we were in March of last year and what happened to the market, could you predict that we'd be this much recovered and then some, hitting highs? So I am going to take a bearish position in oil. And if you I'm looking at it on screen right now. You can't see it yet. I promise you will soon. But I'm looking at the futures, and I can see crude is up 1.4% today with $62 and change in a barrel. And I remember for the longest time it was fighting to hit 50. Right, and when you look at some of the technicals, you can see I feel like this one is just about to reach that overbought and time for a sell-off. So let's take, since we're near 45 days to expiration, let's do our trade overview, shall we? We're looking at a short collar vertical. You can see that there in a very liquid underlying, Exxon Mobil, with 4 out of 4 rank for liquidity. Its IV rank is 10, and that is kind of crummy for doing short premium. But what drew my attention is when I filtered for IV percentile, and I found that Exxon Mobil has an IV percentile right now of 65%. So almost 66% of the days have had lower volatility than now. So I think that's what I'm going to go for today. And I wonder what you feel about this trade. Can you be bearish on oil right now? Or are you bullish? Would you take the opposing position? Or would you be the person buying this call vertical? All right. So let's hop on into Thinkorswim, shall we? Hi, my name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. I'm down here in the corner. Thank you so much for joining us. We're going to do what we normally do here is put on some trades in our simulated trading portfolio so that we can take the fear out of trading, especially if you're new, and also to practice our mechanics. So stick around to the end if you're new, and we'll tell you how you can get going with us and make sure that you're actually clicking the buttons and getting all the practice, getting all the learning without all the risk. So here we go. In the Analyze tab, we're going to go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the April monthlies with 46 days to expiration as of today, March 1st. And that's why later, if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that bell because you want to get these trade notifications out to your phone if that's where you watch your YouTubes, right? Because these are time sensitive. All right, so we're going to be over here and we're going to be selling right over here, the 60 call, which is roughly a 30 delta, and we're going to be buying protection in case it, tests us or goes through $2.50 wide. No, where was I? I lied. We are selling the 57.50. I've got it down here. See, we're short one contract of 57.50. We are buying the 60 call. So that is a $2.50 wide. And here we are collecting not exactly 1/3, right? But we are collecting 66 cents on this one. So my guess also with this crude oil popping up here, we might not get filled. We might have to readjust strikes, or we'll get filled at a much better price. So, we'll see what happens there. But let's check our probabilities for a trade like this, seeing that our bid ask is at 55, right? But the last price was 54. Let's go to the risk profile and understand our probabilities here. Get your date in the top corner, set to the date in turquoise that you see in the bottom left corner over here. That's April 17th. And then we're going to set that price slice to break even at April 17th by going to Set Slices, Break Even, and April 17th. We're looking at a 71.71. How about that? 71% probability of ending up on or to the left of this gold price slice at expiration. We'll call that a 71% probability of profit, shall we? And we do have a pretty good P50 on this one as well, which I believe I got over here. Nope, I messed it up. Hang on, XOM. There's the trade. we're looking at a 82% probability, according to Tastyworks, of being able to keep half of that profit, which I know, in the next 46 days. I know, $33. I know it's not that exciting, but it can be if you have lots of those little wins, right? Especially since that, your odds are so good. The probabilities, be the house, be the casino. Don't be the gambler, right? Okay, so now that we know our probabilities, we're going to right-click this trade. I'm going to go to the confirm and send screen. We're going to see that we could make $66. We could lose $184. I'm okay with this one, taking this size of a bet. I could lose $184. I'm okay with that risk. Are you? All right. Going to go ahead and hit send. That's going to put it into my working orders. And I hope you enjoyed today's trade. I know my subscribers at this point, this is where I give you a thumbs up for sticking out this far. If you're new here, please stick around. I'll give you your thumbs up in a bit. But here we go. What we do here in option theory, because it's important, if you're diving into the world of investing, just like anything, when you're learning to drive a car or fly an airplane, oftentimes you're given some sort of simulator, right? That's what this is. This is your flight simulator. Okay? So prove to yourself. When people doubt you, you can point, say, look, I've been doing this for however long you want to do this before you move to trade your real money. I know it's not perfect, but it is pretty darn close. Hey, I've recently received some comments teasing me for doing paper trading. That's okay. Hate is going to hate, right? So this is where we start. And then eventually, when you feel ready, you can move to trading real money. But how do you get these trade ideas? We talked about the Cherry Bomb email. Head down to that description down below, and you'll find a link to go sign up for Tasty Trades email lists that they have. One of which is called the Cherry Bomb Trades, or the Cherry Bomb email list. Go over there. You can sign up for all the ones that you want. They don't spam you. They've never tried to sell me anything. Okay, so sign up for the ones that you want, and you'll get these emails 5 days a week. 4 of them contain trade ideas, and that's what we put on here. Testing our mechanics, testing our systems, so we know what to expect. All right, thank you for making it this far. If you've hit that subscribe button, you rock. If you think I've earned that thumbs up myself, hit that thumbs up button for me too, please. I really appreciate all your views and all your help, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb trade. Until then, happy trading.